In this video, I'll show you how to use remote play on your Mac computer. This way you can play all the games you have on your PS5 anywhere using your Mac. So let's get started. The first step actually is to go on the TV screen that is attached to your PS5 and change a few settings to enable this feature. So let's go over there. Okay, so the first step is to go into the settings of your PS5. So over here, we're gonna go on the top right corner, Settings, then go down and select System. Go down until you see Remote Play on the left side. Click your X button, and over here you see the first option should be Enable Remote Play. Click on it and make sure that it's turned on over the account you will use it with. So in my case, I'll use this one over here, so I'll turn it on. You can turn on all the accounts if you plan using them on remote play. Then go back, and under remote play, there's an option called power savings. Click on this one. Then select features available in rest mode, sorry. And make sure that over here, stay connected to the internet, and the other one, enable turning on PS5 from network, are both turned on. Because if you're planning to use remote play and you're not at home, you want the PS5 to be connected to the internet, even if it's in rest mode, so that you can play while not being at home. So if you don't turn these on, unfortunately, the PS5 will never know that you want to use remote play, so it will never turn on and broadcast the game. Once you do this, go back. Then we still need to change one thing, so go back, go and select users and accounts. Go down, select other, and the first option should be console sharing and offline play. Select this one, and we need to enable this feature because your account should be the primary account if you want to use remote play. So in my case, it's already enabled. If yours is not already enabled, you're gonna see an option over here to click enable. Great, so at this point, there's no other setting to change. The PS5 is ready to remote play. Before going away from your PS5, what you need to do is to put it in rest mode. Do not turn it off. If you turn it off, it will not be able to wake up when you use remote play on your device. So how do you do this? Well, you probably already know, but I'll press the PS button here, and down below you're gonna get the option. Go to the last one on the right side, press power, and over here you need to select enter rest mode every time. Do not select turn off. So I select rest mode, it will take a few seconds. And now it's time to go on the device you're planning to use remote play with. So on your Mac, what we need to do now, well, open any web browser page and go on Google. Then type remote play. One of the first options should be the official PlayStation website over here. Click on that and then select download. Select Mac. And then you have to click on I agree and download. Click allow, and usually the download only takes like 10 seconds. Here we go, open the file. We can close the web browser, click continue, install. You may be asked to enter the name and password of your Mac account, so go ahead, enter it if they ask you. Once the software has been installed, press closed. We can move it to trash. And now it's time to open it. So let's open the remote play software we just downloaded. I'll open Launchpad, and here we go. It's over here, PS Remote Play. First thing, we need to sign in into your PSN account. So click here and they'll ask you the email and password associated with this account. So I'll go ahead and type my email. Press next. And now I have to type my password. Press sign in. Now they may ask you to verify your account you simply need to go on your email address, and the PlayStation Network website would send you a confirmation number. I'll go over here and type mine. Then press verify. Press confirm and continue. Select PS5. Click OK. And now, usually it takes about a minute. The Mac computer will wake up your PS5 and you should see the home page of your PS5 appearing again in around a minute. In the meanwhile, let me show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your Mac, because you're probably going to be using it. So it's very easy. Go on the top right corner over here. Click on the two ovals, one black, one white. Select Bluetooth, and here select Bluetooth settings. Now that we are in Bluetooth settings, if you go down the list, your controller will appear here, but first we need to put it in pairing mode. How do you do this? Well, you need to press the PS button and the share button like this, both at the same time until the lights are flashing blue. Okay, they're flashing blue on the controller. I can release my fingers, put the controller aside, and on the screen, here we go, it appeared right there. Click on DualSense wireless controller, connect. And here we go, it's connected. It even tells us the battery left in the controller. We can close this window and you see, meanwhile, it has connected to the PS5. From here, well, it's very easy. You can put it full screen. Usually you see it's a bit pixelated. It takes a few seconds before it's not pixelated anymore. You see it's getting better. If you have a fast internet connection on your PS5 and on your Mac, well, you won't have any lag issue. But if you don't have a quick connection, unfortunately, there will be some lag. I highly suggest you connect a Ethernet cable in the back of your PS5 instead of using Wi-Fi. This way it will be more stable. But overall, if I take my controller here, you see, I can use it the same way I'm using it on my PS5. So now you can go ahead and play all your games the way you do it on the PS5 TV. Now, once you're done playing, what should you do? Well, you have multiple options. The easiest one, honestly, is to simply, let's exit full screen mode on the Mac, like that. And if you close this window where your PS5 is, it will ask you, this remote play session will be disconnected. What you need to do, and this is very important, is to select put the connected console in rest mode. Okay, check this and then press OK. This way your PS5 will be in rest mode, and next time you want to play, use remote play, well, the app will be able to wake up your console. Your console will not turn off. And you see, it disappeared. Don't forget to disconnect your controller from your Mac because it's still connected, simply by going back into the Bluetooth settings. Okay, same place. You see over here, DualSense wireless controller. Click on it and it will disconnect it. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.